Slides to video GIF lets you to convert slide pages to GIF, WebM, and MP4 formats. Go to Extensions, Slide to Video GIF, and click Start. In a while, it populates your thumbnails, and here choose the thumbnail. If you would like to exclude some of the thumbnails, make an untick and set the timing to 2 seconds instead the default 3, or you can even increase the time depending on your use case. Set the width. In my case, if I wish to have 1200, and click one of the formats. If that's a WebM format, I click WebM. You may prefer to download or take it to download to drive. And this gives you the drive file URL of the converted WebM. Let's try with MP4. The slides are getting converted to a video and then to MP4 format. You can download the MP4, or if you prefer to upload to your drive, you can upload and get the URL. You can play the video here. Next, let's try with a GIF, but GIF, it usually takes the first value of the first slide that's set to 2 seconds. It takes 2 seconds as the default interval for all the slides within, even if you set 3 or 1 here. To try, click GIF, finalizing GIF, and this gives you a 2-second interval GIF, which applies uniformly to all the slides. Just in case for your information, if the slide has any transition are not applied for WebM, MP4, and GIF formats. I hope this add-on is helpful. Thank you.